So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom sign up profile URL. When you log into your Poynt account, this will be what pops up. As a reseller, what you'll want to do, you'll look over at the left black table. You'll click on onboarding tools. Within onboarding tools, you'll see three tabs that we have here. Active applications, where once you start putting in those apps, you'll see them displayed here. Sign up profiles, which we'll click on. Currently, we have two profiles set up for you. This is typically just the default one. This is one right here that we've created for you, or in the case of you creating your own, you would come here and click on create sign up profile on the right-hand side. Once you've done that, which I'll dive into a little more, you'll click referral URLs and you'll find that here. In the case that you need a test URL to test the application process, you have this URL right here that you can use. But going back to the sign up profiles, you'll click on create sign up profile. You'll input the name of whatever you'd like to name it. So I'll do this. One important part that you'll need to do in order to get the URL to work is switching it from draft to live. And this is where you'll create your own custom URL. You can name it whatever you want as long as it's not already taken. What I also would recommend doing for status emails, if you have agents or you have other folks that may be selling for you, typing in your email address. So when you do this, you'll get an email notification once the application is complete by the merchant. This is handy, again, just so you have visibility into who's signing up and when they're signing up. The next important thing you'll be doing is uploading your logo. So when you do that, it's pretty simple. Just click upload, just like anything else. You find your logo, you'll put it in there. This will show up on the terminal, and it'll not on the terminal, but it'll show up on the application process whenever the merchant goes through it. Now the next part is the pricing. What I recommend here, typically what will set you up on is in person 2.3. We'll do 10 cents. So it'll look something like this. And then for e-com and invoicing, you're looking at 2.9 and then 30 cents. Key transactions, that'll be 3.3. And then your cents will be 15. This is something you have flexibility, customization over, depending on how you see fit. Again, this is how you're selling to your merchants, so you can choose to be competitive, or in some situations you may not be. What you'll do next after this, and another important thing to mention is the next day payout fee. Typically we put this at 0. You do have the option of putting 1 to whatever percent you'd like. That will go directly to you. That is a fee that you collect. But if you'd rather remain competitive, you can put this as 0% next day payout fee. Now, another part of the customization of the sign up profiles, you'll want to include, say, for example, you have a scenario that you only want to sell our P61, then you would toggle these off. So whenever the merchant goes through the sign up profile in the flow, they'll only have the option to choose this device. Just for clarification, don't ever turn on the P5 as that is discontinued. But if you want to give them options, toggle on the N910 and the P61. Your rental fee. So this rental fee, typically what we're charging is for the N910 is 25. But if you want to make a cut on top of that as the reseller, you can change this to 30. And the difference of $5 is something that you collect as the reseller. With the smart terminal, we price it at 30, as you can see, but we would recommend, if you want to make something on top of this, putting it at, say, 40. This will be a monthly fee that the merchant incurs, as long as they are, renting monthly. They'll always have a warranty on the device and can always switch it out for another one. One feature that I also would like to point out is the free trial. Sometimes you'll come across merchants who are on the fence. They are very much connected to their current payment processing system. And we all get it. This is how they collect their funds. So they may not be so willing or eager to try something new. What you can do is toggle on the free trial and say you want to give them 30 days to be able to try out the Poynt system and see how they like it. I recommend that for harder sales. This way they can keep their current point of sale system. They can also try out Poynt to see how they like it. And they're not charged for that monthly fee. The only thing they'll be charged for is the price of the device. Now, another aspect is if you want to customize a sign-up URL where they can choose the option to buy, that's another thing that you can do. So you see prices here, again, just like the monthly rental fee, you can change these pricings to something that you collect. So the smart terminal 410, say you price this at $450. You'll collect the difference, which is $40. That'll go straight into the reseller's pocket. Again, free trial. And then you can also do the no device option. No device option is if you are trying to create an e-com only link. This will give them no option to buy a device. And then from there, they're all set. Again, here, shipping cost is free. 2-day shipping is the turnaround time. Business days, that turnaround time for them to get the device once they've completed the application process. And that's all there is to creating the sign-up profile. Once that's saved, once you save that profile, you'll notice it pop up right here with the rest of the sign-up profiles. And then you'll also have the URL sitting here for you to give out to whoever wants to sign up. And that's all it is. And that's the sign up profile URL.